So this is how you create and use a Brex integration with Amalgam. You'll go to our new integration menu here, just search for Brex. It will redirect you to the Brex website. You can click here to make that go faster. And then you put in your login credentials here. My password manager is going to handle all of that. Now, if it was the first time you were integrating, it would ask you if you want to allow our app to connect. Obviously, this is not the first time that we're connecting. And so you can see now I've added to my list of Brex integrations down here. Now, if you're not familiar with this, our app is a plugin for Excel. This is the home page here. I'm logging into my same account that I just used there to make the connection. And I'll choose to create a download report. I will select Brex. We'll do this expenses report, which is our first report that we're releasing. And I'll connect it to one of the two companies that I've created. Obviously, these are duplicates, but I wanted to create an example for the connection process. Okay, so you can filter your expenses by a number of different things, and in the cases where you need to know specific examples from your company, we've loaded in the background all of these options. So we have the different statuses, we have the different payment statuses. So let me just run it first here. Now the test data we have is all from the same day, so the date range filters aren't going to do a whole lot for us, but if you look here, we've got this username column, and so why don't I do only expenses from Abby Marketing Admin. That will filter my list down to a smaller set, and then as one more example, let's take a look at, what's a good example? How about the payment status? So you can see we've got one awaiting payment here. So if I add this filter, it's going to be awaiting payment. I don't have a ton of expenses to choose from, so this is a relatively manageable data set already, but if you've got tens of thousands of expenses, this is a good way of narrowing down just the information necessary to your specific accounting or financial purpose. Those are the basics. Let us know if you have any questions or suggestions.